Hi children, today we are going to see subtraction. Keywords of subtraction: take away, left, subtract, difference, less. See, here 5 rabbits are eating the carrot and 2 rabbits run going away from among them. And next, how many rabbit is staying there? See, 2 is less. Then that means how many is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits are there. Like this only we are going to see today subtraction. Let's go to the lesson. Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to take away. See, here 3 apple. The apple is here and she is eating 1 apple. Remaining how many apple is there? 2 apple. Same like that we are going to write others. See, here 6 lollipop is there. 1 lollipop this boy has taken. And how many is left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 4 cows are drinking water and 1 cow is moving away from them. And how many cow is left over there? 3 cow. And next 7 children are playing here and 4 children are going away from them. And how many left over there? 3 children are playing. And this girl is holding 6 balloons and 2 balloon is flying away from those balloons. And how many balloons are left over? Yes, 4 balloons. Like this only the subtraction means. See, she is taking away 1 apple and this boy is taking away 1 lollipop and this cow also moving away and these 4 children are going away. And here 2 balloon is flying away. That we call subtraction. And next, minus. Minus is the sign of subtraction. See, before we saw for addition we saw plus. For subtract minus we use the sign of subtraction. See, here 8 leaves are there but 2 leaves is falling down. And remaining how many leaves? 6 leaves. And 6 chicks are in the water and 5 chicks is going away. And how many chick is left over in the water? Only 1 chick. Next, 9 birds on the branch and 4 birds is flying away and only 5 birds is staying over there. And 6 flower pots are there and 2 pot is broken. And how many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. You all of you write in your book same like this. Okay. Next, complete the subtraction fact by circling. See, here already they circle 7 birds are here and 7 minus 3. So you have to circle 3 birds. Already they given here. Now we are going to circle 5. This is here 5 goats are there. So you have to circle 2 goats. 5 minus 2 remaining 3. And next, 6 capsicum is here minus 4 capsicum you have to circle it and remaining 2 capsicum. Same like that here you have to complete the subtraction fact by striking. You have to strike on this. See, 9 peacock. See, you have 9 minus 6. 6 you have to strike here and remaining 3 will be there. And next, subtraction using lines. See, I have written here 6 minus 1, 5. See, you have to draw the line, 6 line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and minus 1, you have to subtract 1, and remaining how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there, so you have to write here 5. Same like this, 5 lines you have to draw. 2 minus 2 means you have to subtract 2 line, and here also like that only, but you have to use beads, means like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, remaining how many beads are there? 5. Same like this, remaining you have to do, see, subtraction on your own. 9 minus 5, 4, you have to write in your book like this. Next, fill in the box to get 3. See, 9 minus 6, 3, but here only 4 is given. 7 minus 4, 3, and 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 5, 3. Okay, and here fill in the circle by plus or minus. See, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here 4, 2, here is 2 is given. Minus, addition or subtraction, this one? Yes, this is subtraction. So you have to write the symbol of sign. So you have to write the sign of subtraction. And next, 8, 3 is equal to 5. Here addition will come or subtraction will come? Yes, subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. Next, 3 is equal to 6 is there. Here you have to write addition sign plus. And 9 minus 2, 7. Here you have to write subtraction symbol. And 2 plus 6, 8. Here you have to write addition symbol. And next, 0. I am the hero, my name is Zero. Let's sing the song. 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now, 2 are left. 2 bites of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now, 1 is left. 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now, there is no paper left. Okay, see children, here 2 parrots in the cage, and 1 parrot is flying away, and remaining 1 parrot in the cage. And now 2 parrots also flying away. That means how many parrots in the cage? Oh, yes, only no parrot, 0 parrot in the cage. 0 also a number. Here you have to trace on this and write 0 same as like this. Count and write the number of butterflies. See, here 3 butterflies there. Here how many butterflies there? 2. And here 1. Here no butterflies. That means 0 butterflies. And next, how many pencils are here? 4 pencils. Here 0. Here 3 pencils. Here 1 pencil. And how many tomatoes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 3. Here 0. Here 5. Okay children, that's all we learned today, and all of you write and complete your maths book. Okay, bye.